Happy.
Hey guys, Tanner Has Fun here. I'm making another video, and today I'm here with
Armando.
and
Gabe the driver.
and I'm gonna be driving, and
I'm going to be driving.
so today we're gonna be driving an RC car.
It goes 45 miles per hour.
Here's the car. We got a nice Camaro. Yeah. Go, Gabe. Look at that thing go. See that jump? Look at that air. Look at that air. Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. Slow no mo. Okay, that's it for Gabe driving. It's Armando's time to drive. This is going to be a little worse. Nice.
You can't do that. No freedom. Stop doing that. You're breaking the front.
Breaking the front? How are you supposed to break plastic?
Stop right there. Stop. Stop. That's why it got glued.
La la.
That's why you can't bang it. That's why my dad said don't use it. Sissy.
J turn.
Mine was
Jay?
better. Who's Jay? Me.
You don't know what a J turn is?
Oh. It's like a half turn.
No, it's not. It's a complete turn while you're going backwards, and then you complete. You do a three.
Yeah?
You do a. Actually, you do a two. I don't know what it is.
220, I think.
Yeah, I think it's 220 half.
Or 225. I think it's 225.
No, it can't be 225. It's a 280 turn. Is that your dad over there?
No.
No. Okay.
Dude, no.
It's Tina's turn. Wait. Videotape it. I'm gonna videotape it for you. Wait. Have your turn. My turn to drive. Let me show you. Let me show these people some real action.
Say. Mine was better.
This was sucky games, and mine were like the best.
Mostly Gabe's.
Mostly Gabe's.
Because I had this car for like 4 days. I got it when it was my birthday.
4th of July.
4th.
Your birthday is July 4th?
Yes. I celebrate it Monday.
Has a rock. It has a rock.
It has a rock. So
Yeah.
This
It has a rock.
action with the rock in it. Come back.
And if you could hear that, it
The
makes a little bit of noise.
Turn. Now turn it. Come here to the shop. Come to the body shop.
This thing doesn't need the shop.
Oh, it's perfect now.
Did you see that rock come out?
Yeah.
Did you guys see that rock come out?
It's getting slow because the gas is getting slower and slower. But probably soon it's gonna change into the electric. But I didn't charge it. Yeah, what do you think, man?
Guys, let's finish. Let's finish. Ready? But this is gonna be the finish.
This is going to be the grand finale, but last and not
It's
least,
gonna be this.
the finish is going to be last but not least.
No, the finish is gonna be this. I'll show them.
Wow,
slower
pretty
and slower.
impressive.
That's the finish.